We'll guide you through how to install the WooCommerce checkout plugin on your WordPress site. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your WordPress dashboard. Once you're there, navigate to the left-hand menu and click on Plugins. Then click on Add New. In the search bar on the top right, type WooCommerce Checkout and press Enter. Look for the official WooCommerce Checkout plugin developed by WooCommerce. Once you find it, click on the Install Now button. After the installation is complete, the button will change to Activate. Click on Activate to enable the plugin on your site. After activation, you might be directed to the WooCommerce Setup Wizard, which is a great way to configure your settings if you're installing WooCommerce for the first time. If you have WooCommerce already set up, go to WooCommerce in the left-hand menu and click on Settings. Then, go to the Checkout tab. Here, you can customize your checkout options, like enabling guest checkout, setting checkout pages, or configuring payment gateways. Make sure to save any changes you make by clicking Save Changes at the bottom of the page. It's important to test your checkout process by adding a product to your cart and proceeding to checkout to ensure everything is functioning as desired. If you encounter any issues, double-check your settings or consult the WooCommerce documentation for troubleshooting tips. And there you have it. Your WooCommerce checkout plugin is installed and ready to go. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.